Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I welcome all of you to our online video class brought to you by Exploring Sabri. Dear viewers, in this short video clip, you will find 50 important similar words of English for beginners. Okay, so let's get started. 50 important similar words part 1. Here in this video clip, main words are shown in first column, similar words are in second column, and Bangla meaning of the main words are given in third column. So number 1, really, truly or actually, live, depart or move, introduce, make known or acquaint, journey, travel, tour or excursion, friend, companion or familiar. Old, aged, elderly or primitive, student, learner or pupil, everyday, daily or regularly, usually, normally, excuse, pardon or forgive. Holiday, a vacation, fun, amusement, often, frequently or repeatedly, gentle, modest or polite, alone, lonely or individually. Yesterday, the previous day or last day, idea, plan, notion or conception, please, kindly, fine, well or nice, right, exactly. Story, tell, live, stay, reside or dwell, apartment, flat, make, prepare or form, write, compose. Enjoy, delight, appreciate or relish, take, accept, receive or carry or bring, plenty, abundance, answer, reply or react, spend, pass, consume or expend. Connected, related, same, identical, happy, glad, especially, particularly or exclusively, sometimes, now and then, or at times. Practice, exercise, watch, see, look at or observe, listen, hear or heed, know, recognize or familiarize, work, toil or task. Understand, realize or perceive, different, various, level, stage, important, significant or vital, need, require or lack. Active, energetic, delicious, tasty, certainly, surely or definitely, get, receive, improve, develop, upgrade or progress. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.